Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to create a Netlify account with GitHub. This is a great way to deploy and host your web projects directly from your GitHub repositories, making the entire deployment process seamless and efficient. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to netlify.com. This is the official Netlify website where you'll begin the account creation process. Once the page loads, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the interface, as you'll be using Netlify to manage your web deployments. Now, look towards the upper right corner of the home page. You'll see a button that says Sign Up. Go ahead and click on it. This will take you to the registration page where you can choose how you want to create your account. Netlify offers several options, but today we're focusing on linking it with GitHub for a more integrated experience. On the Sign Up page, you'll notice multiple authentication options. Click on Sign Up with GitHub. This option is particularly useful because it allows Netlify to access your GitHub repositories directly, making it much easier to deploy projects without having to manually upload files each time. It's a real time saver for developers and anyone working with web projects. After clicking that button, you'll be redirected to a GitHub authorization page. Here, you'll see a prompt asking you to authorize Netlify. This step is important because it grants Netlify permission to access your GitHub account and repositories. Go ahead and click Authorize Netlify. This establishes the connection between the two platforms and enables all the automation features that make Netlify so powerful. If you're not already logged into your GitHub account, you'll be prompted to do so at this point. Enter your GitHub credentials and log in. This ensures that you're connecting the correct GitHub account to your new Netlify account. Take your time here to make sure you're using the right account, especially if you manage multiple GitHub profiles. Once you've authorized the connection and logged in, Netlify will redirect you back to their platform for the setup process. You'll see a screen asking you to choose between personal or team account types. Click Personal if you're setting this up for individual use. This option is perfect for personal projects, portfolios, or any solo development work you might be doing. Next, Netlify will ask you to provide some additional details. These details help customize your experience and may include information like your name, email preferences, and other account settings. Fill in all the information that Netlify is asking for. Be thorough here, as accurate information ensures you receive important notifications about your deployments and account activity. After providing your details, you'll need to enter a name for your team. Even though you selected personal, Netlify still uses team terminology for organizational purposes. Choose a name that makes sense for your work, whether it's your own name, a project name, or something that represents your brand. This name will help you identify your workspace if you ever decide to create multiple teams in the future. Finally, click Continue to complete the setup process. Netlify will finalize your account creation and take you to your dashboard where you can start deploying your projects immediately. And that's it! You've successfully created your Netlify account using GitHub, and you're now ready to start deploying websites directly from your repositories. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.